Hello. In our previous video, we deployed Odoo on existing resources. However, you can go even further and create those resources automatically. So today I will show you how you can deploy Odoo on Hetzner, and that Hetzner instance will be created during the installation. As always, you can find all the information using the link below. And if you have any questions, well, you are welcome to ask them in our Telegram group, Reddit, or Facebook group. Now, let's go straight to business. For this, we will use the same file as we have used in our first video. And you see we have everything imported. So the first step will be, as always, go here to keys and secrets and ensure that you have configured Cloudflare API token, Cloudflare Zone ID, and Hetzner API token. You can find all the instructions that you need to do this in the documentation, and the link is attached to the video. Now, the next step is to create a server. So you know how to do this already. Click Create Server, and let's say all in 1.18. Add some tags like Odoo and Docker. And then instance name will be all in 1.18. Odoo version, let's leave it 18. DB manager password, like this one. And what we need to add here, probably let's make it even simpler and create database automatically. So Odoo DB name will be test1, and let's install demo data from the very beginning. Okay, let's click confirm and wait until our server is created. Okay, as you can see, our server is up and running. We have this pop-up, and our flight plan log has completed successfully. Congratulations. Now, let's go back here, click the link, and voila, our server is up and running. We are all set and ready to go. So, as you can see, this wasn't too much complicated either. And keep in mind that with Cetmix Tower, you can add new features by adding new modules. For example, we have recently released a new module which implements AWS support for Cetmix Tower Python commands. If you want to learn more, feel free to contact us, check the documentation, and let's unleash the power of the tower together.